Pamulapatti Venkata Narasimha Rao, popularly known as PV, was a freedom fighter, lawyer, scholar, and an eminent politician. Born in a remote village of Narsampet in the Telangana region, he rose to great heights with his continuous quest for knowledge and futuristic thinking. He actively participated in the Indian independence movement, especially the Vande Mataram movement of the 30s. In 1938, he, along with 300 fellow students, sang the Vande Mataram song at Usmania University, for which he was expelled from college. This didn't deter his spirits. He continued to participate in various rallies inspired by Gandhiji and many great leaders. Simultaneously, he completed his law education from Nagpur University. His brief stint as a junior lawyer ended as he decided to join politics to serve the people post independence. After holding various ministerial positions in the Andhra government, he became the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. From state politics, he shifted to the national level and held diverse portfolios in which home, defense, and foreign affairs being the most prominent ones. He became the Prime Minister of India, the first person to ascend such an honorable position from South India. His victory in the by election in Nandyal during his tenure as the Prime Minister was recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records for securing record 5 lakh votes. During his political journey, he made many reforms. He was responsible for dismantling the License Raj and implemented the Land Ceiling Act strictly. He insisted that the farmers should possess the land they cultivate. Mr. Rao's term as Prime Minister of India was the golden period for India, which saw development in economy, national security, and many other aspects. He is called the father of Indian economic reforms. He introduced various reforms that opened India to foreign investments, reforming capital markets and trade. He maintained good diplomatic relations with many countries. He introduced Look East policy for strengthening ties with Southeast Asian countries and increased economic interactions in the field of science, technology, tourism, etc. He strengthened the National Nuclear and Ballistic Missile Program of India. In former Prime Minister Vajpayee's words, Mr. Rao was the true father of India's nuclear program, as he was the man who initiated the testing of nuclear weapons for national security. He anticipated well in advance that computers would rule the future and showed keen interest in learning computer programming. He indeed started the National Stock Exchange as a computer based trading system, which later emerged as the largest exchange of India. He used modern technology to organize relief operations for grief stricken people when earthquake hit Latur in Maharashtra. His services to the field of literature and education can never be forgotten. He initiated the setting up of Navodaya schools and also established the Telugu Academy. P.V. Narasimha Rao was a great thinker, literature enthusiast, and a polyglot. He could speak 17 languages with ease. His memory was commendable. His interest in literature dates back to 1940 when he founded and edited the Telugu weekly magazine Kakatiya Patrika during his years of political activism against the Nizam rule. He translated Thomas Gray's Elegy and the Constitution of India into the Telugu language. He even translated Vishwanatha Satyanarayana's Veyi Padagalu into Hindi. He is the author of the novel The Insider, which shook the political world. He was awarded the Pratibha Murthy Lifetime Achievement Award. Many famous authors, journalists, and civil servants have written numerous books on his contribution to the economic liberalization of India. Today, in Smriti Padam, a series created by Vagdevi Arts Academy and Dheeraj Creations for recollecting the journey of great people, we remember the learned, humble, and generous man, the ninth Prime Minister of India, P.V. Narasimha Rao, on his 100th birth anniversary. For more such informative and inspiring videos, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.